Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming WhatsApp is updated, because reporting options change with versions. Once done, open the specific chat or group you will report and tap the contact name or group header to view details. This reveals message options. Make sure you decide whether to report the chat only or block the contact too. You need visible offending messages ready for the report, so scroll to relevant content and pause there before moving to the formal report step. You now create the report by choosing Report Contact or Report Group from the menu. This triggers a sequence asking if you want to include recent messages, include them to give context. Describe the reason clearly when prompted, picking the closest category. Attach screenshots or select the message, S, if the interface allows, because evidence speeds action. Once you review the summary, tap Submit. After submission, WhatsApp confirms receipt. Make sure you note the time and any reference. You finish by checking for a confirmation in your chat or notifications. If you want immediate relief, block or mute the contact right away to stop messages. If WhatsApp does not acknowledge the report within a reasonable time, retry the report including additional screenshots and exact timestamps, because clearer evidence helps. If problems persist, escalate by emailing WhatsApp support with the report ID and device logs. Troubleshooting tip: restart the app and resubmit the report if the Submit button fails to respond.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.